The Lexus LFA is a stunning supercar that made its mark in the automotive world for its engineering excellence, striking design, and exclusivity. Produced by Lexus, the luxury division of Toyota, the LFA is celebrated for its performance and is often regarded as one of the most iconic Japanese supercars. The LFA was produced from 2010 to 2012. Only 500 units were manufactured, making it rarefied and highly sought after by collectors. Development background: the project began in the early 2000s, with the goal of creating a flagship model to compete with established supercars from Europe. The LFA features a bold, aerodynamic design with sharp lines and an aggressive stance. The front end is characterized by a prominent grille and distinctive LED headlights, while the rear boasts an iconic taillight design and a large rear wing for downforce. The chassis is constructed primarily from lightweight carbon fiber, contributing to its impressive power-to-weight ratio. The LFA was one of the first production cars to utilize carbon fiber extensively, making it exceptionally rigid yet lightweight. The LFA is powered by a naturally aspirated 4.8-liter V10 engine, which produces 552 horsepower and 354 pounds-feet of torque. Transmission: it features a 6-speed automated sequential manual transmission, offering lightning-fast gear shifts. The LFA can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, with the top speed of 202 miles per hour. Its precise handling and responsive steering make it a joy to drive on both the road and the track. Technology and features: instrumentation: the LFA is equipped with a unique digital instrument cluster that features a tachometer that moves in a circular fashion, reminiscent of a jet fighter's cockpit. One of the most notable aspects of the LFA is its engine sound, often described as one of the best in the automotive world. The engine's high-revving nature creates an exhilarating auditory experience, especially at full throttle. Suspension: the car features a sophisticated double wishbone suspension setup, enhancing stability and cornering performance. The interior of the LFA combines luxury with sportiness, featuring high-quality materials such as leather and carbon fiber. The driver-focused cockpit is designed for optimal ergonomics. Technology: advanced audio and navigation systems are included, providing both entertainment and ease of use during drives. Legacy and impact: motorsport heritage: the LFA's development was heavily influenced by Lexus's involvement in motorsports, particularly the LFA's racing variant, the LFA Code X, which competed in various events. Cultural impact: the LFA has gained a cult following among car enthusiasts, thanks to its limited production numbers and outstanding performance. It has been featured in various video games, movies, and automotive shows, solidifying its status as an automotive icon. Conclusion: the Lexus LFA remains a significant achievement in the automotive industry, showcasing the capabilities of Japanese engineering and design. Its combination of performance, luxury, and rarity makes it a standout in the world of supercars. Whether on the road or the racetrack, the LFA continues to captivate enthusiasts and collectors alike.